Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beenam and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my 5 minutes everyday makeup look for summers. So during summers I just hate applying lots and lots of makeup on my face. Especially if you are someone who has to go out every day, run around and get things done. It becomes pretty uncomfortable when the foundation and concealer melts off your face, and I know it is quite difficult for people especially with oily skin. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my very easy and quick summer makeup routine which doesn't include foundation and concealer. So right now I am completely barefaced. I haven't applied anything on my face, so we are going to start right away. So without further ado, let's get started. So makeup starts with a good skincare. So I've already washed or thoroughly cleansed my face. Another important point, your hands should be equally clean and sanitized before you apply anything on your face with your hands. So first I'm going to moisturize my skin and I'm going to use Garnier Wrinkle Less Moisturizer. This is an amazing drugstore moisturizer and it's very affordable. And one reason why I stick to this moisturizer during summers is because it is really light on the skin and it doesn't make you feel heavy at all. And it is one good moisturizer to wear underneath your sunscreen and makeup. So I'm going to quickly apply it all over my face and neck. Now next is a very important step, which is applying sunscreen. I am sure no one steps out without sunscreen. So here I am going to use Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Sunscreen in SPF of 50. This is one great sunscreen. This is a thicker cream but absorbs in the skin super quickly. And one thing I like about this sunscreen is that it doesn't leave any white cast on the skin. So I'm just applying it all over my face and neck. Now next we're gonna do eyebrows, and for eyebrows I'm going to use Cream Gel Brow from Benefit Cosmetic in the shade 5, which is a slightly deep brown shade. So I'm going to slowly fill in my brows little by little. So my eyebrows are really uneven and I have some sparse areas too. So this cream gel easily fills and defines brows. So I'm done filling in both of my brows, and guys, you can see just filling in your eyebrows can bring a lot definition to your face. Now moving on to eyes, I'm going to curl my lashes first and I'm using this eyelash curler. So I have small eyes, so this curler really helps to open up my eyes. So you can clearly see the difference in both of my eyes, like my right eye looks more open and fresh than my left eye, and yes, my lashes look longer too. And now I'm going to do the other eye as well. Now we are going to apply mascara, and the mascara I am using here is also from Benefit Bad Girl Bang. The brush looks like this, which has this tiny little bristles which kind of grips all the tiny lashes, and it's really lightweight for everyday use. For everyday look, I don't go too heavy with mascara, but even if you want full volume, this mascara really does the job without even making you feel heavy. So I'm done with my mascara and eyebrows and it already makes me look so much awake. Now moving on to face, to make that face look even, I use this Studio Fix compact powder from MAC and I'm in the shade NC30. I take it on my brush this way and apply it all over my face and neck. What I really like about this compact powder is that it's not heavy on the skin at all. It is so comfortable to wear on everyday basis as it doesn't make you feel heavy like foundations and concealers, but also gives you a decent coverage, makes your skin look even and sets your face perfectly. So you can see guys how this powder has made my face look so even and flawless, and trust me guys, this is so light on the skin that it is completely comfortable to carry it throughout the day. So next what we're gonna do is apply some blush. So I use this blush from MAC in the shade Peaches. I'm gonna take it on my brush and apply it on the apples of my cheeks, on my nose and on top of my eyelids for that natural finish. Few swipes of blush in your everyday makeup routine can make your skin look healthier, fresh and youthful. Now next I'm gonna work on my lips, and for my lips I have this lip combo which I've been wearing, both from Maybelline. So first I have this pop-up pink from Maybelline. It's a very sweet pink color. So I'm just gonna apply it lightly and rub it with my finger. And I'm going to top it off a little bit with this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Delicate. So this is how it looks when these two lipsticks are combined. I love how it looks on my lips. Just the right amount of pink for everyday use. Now lastly, I'm going to take this MAC Prep Plus Prime Finishing Spray and spray it all over my face evenly. This is the best finishing spray I have used so far. You can use this before makeup to prep your skin and also after makeup as a finishing spray. Here I'm using it to set my makeup. This helps to keep your skin fresh, hydrated, and keeps your makeup in place all throughout the day. So I'm done with my makeup, guys, and this is my everyday summer makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. As you guys can see that I didn't even apply a single drop of foundation or concealer, and yes, I think you guys can clearly see a bit of my dark circles, unevenness and dark spots here and there, but for a casual everyday look I think that's totally okay. I personally love this makeup routine because it's really quick and easy to achieve, and it makes you look fresh while allowing your skin to breathe. So yeah, that's it guys. Let me know if you guys have any question regarding this look or the products I've used in this video, and also if you have any video suggestions then feel free to leave in the comments down below. So yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. Before you close the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in next video. Bye.